Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be a little bit different. It's not going to be about bikes or cars. Today I'm going to climb a mountain, and that mountain is called Shivagange. I think many people who live here know about that mountain. I'm going with an old star in this channel, someone you already know. I'm going with my friend Aadith. I'm gonna meet him soon. Once we both meet up, we'll be on our way to Shivagange. I don't know much about mountains or climbing, so we'll see how it goes. 3 a.m. in the morning, 3:30, but it's pretty nice. And look here, here is Aadith. Hi, bye. How are you? Alright guys, we met up with Aadith. Now we're on our way to the mountain peak. I mean, it's really dark here, but I hope the night thing of DJI does its magic. I've gone completely default for this video, so I can I'm really testing out many stuff to see how the camera works, because lately videos have been really good and then they've been really bad even after the editing process is done. So I'm just going completely default to see how this video does. I think we're halfway there, almost. It's kind of cold, but I'm not feeling it because I have a very warm jacket on, and we're just cruising slowly. Not gonna lie, the night is pretty lit. Only some places were dark. Maybe going towards Shivagange it'll be dark, I think. But I'll try to film what I can, on the way over there. Such an empty road, man. We are cruising here. Night rides are really good. I mean, for the video and stuff like that, cinematics and all that. But it kind of ruins your sleep cycle, so I don't really recommend doing night rides. And unless you're going somewhere, then it's good. But night rides generally, I mean, get some sleep. That's what I would say. But night rides are really, really good because the roads are all empty and you can go anywhere you want. Woo, my hand has gone numb. But it's because of the cold and long ride. Yeah. Woo. I can feel the cold on my face, the fog. It's so cold. Woo. Damn, if I put my visor on, I can't see shit. Woo. and if I open my visor, it's completely cold. Where to park? Park of that side, bhai. Alright guys, we're climbing our way up, and it's literally have to climb all the way up there. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have a long way to go. Yeah, I think it's about 70% done, but I have to climb these stairs all the way up there. Oh, climbing slowly. Oh damn. Yeah, I think this is the only much I can record. I'll go up and record. Yeah. Hey guys, so finally at the top. I couldn't record the way up because I was too damn tired, too exhausted, and I had to carry my camera on one hand, so I didn't bother doing that. See who it is. Say hi, Aadith.
Yes.
We are at somewhere at the top, but you are way high up. Somewhere at the top. The top is over there. But yeah, we couldn't get the view I wanted to get. Maybe we have to wait some more time. I don't know.
Time up there, no sunrise anymore.
Yeah. But yeah, we're finally here. Battery is still there. That's the surprising thing.
Fog, bro. Clouds.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
You should change battery. We literally can't see anything. We were just waiting for how many hours? Yeah?
3.
We were waiting for 3 hours just to see a bit of sunlight.
But we are enjoying the rain.
Not really.
I am enjoying. It looks beautiful, foggy, and we are in a cloud. No, bro. We are literally in a cloud.
Kind of thing. Woo. Look at that view, guys. Oh, look at this. My god. Whoa. That is sketchy. That's like a cave, bro.
We could have hit there that time when it rained.
Come. It's looking crazy on DJ.
Subhash!
So,
Climb without slippers.
yeah. I wish we could take selfies like that, but I can't reveal my face. I can only show you Aadith, the boy. People put coins up there, though. I've seen videos where people put coins.
Up on there.
Yeah. And look at the view down here, boys. Oh my god.
Bro, we'll actually take photo. Like,
What?
you don't have to reveal it.
Reveal what?
Photo. We'll take photo like this. Crop this, all these parts.
What if I put it in?
Ayo, your views are good. All these parts are sent to me that you have taken up. I'll screenshot and take nice photos. You can see now.
Oh yeah, come. So we're getting down.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love